Welcome to 6531 Fairview Road. Convenient location right here in Hickson. Nestled on the side of the ridge with some absolutely outstanding views of the valley and even Signal Mountain ahead. Now, this home was built in 1997, but it has had a complete makeover by the current owners. That's right, you've got all new windows, new light fixtures. The exterior was repaired and repainted. Beautiful stone entry. Let's see what's inside. Wow. So we step inside to a 2-story great room with new flooring, new paint, new light fixtures, and a beautifully updated kitchen. The kitchen, beautiful tile backsplash, granite countertops, antiqued finished cabinetry, Frigidaire gallery gas range with matching refrigerator. It's even got a pantry behind this barn door. So look at the tons of storage space you've got. So does this feel like a 1997 house to you? I say not. But stepping out this way, you're going to see my absolute favorite features of this home. You have 2 decks and a huge lower patio to enjoy these amazing views of the valley. Absolutely private, serene, just like you're in the treetops. Couldn't you enjoy the sunsets here? All right, let's see what else is in the house. Now, on the main floor, we have a master bedroom as well as a second bedroom. So you've got plenty of room for your family to spread out. Laundry on the main. Freshly updated bath. Who wouldn't like this soaking tub? Bedroom number 1. Perfect for a princess or maybe a little king in your family, or if you just simply need main floor living for a parent or a guest. The master bedroom is really spacious. It has double tray ceiling with wood accents. The master bath also has been updated. Double vanities. Jetted tub, walk-in closet, step-in shower. It's really well appointed. So that's what you got here on the main floor. Now, you'll notice that all the hinges have been updated. The door handles as well were an oil rub bronze. You're going to look awfully hard to find any brass in this home. Now, we'll go back up. We've got a cool upper level loft with where we get the third bedroom. So now then, let's head downstairs and I'll show you what more we've got. Did I mention new carpeting? Now out this way, you've got a spacious 2-car garage. We look to the left and we get our 4th bedroom and our 3rd full bath, also freshly updated with new tile, new fixtures, new vanity. And then you've got great family space. This makes a great playroom currently. It would also make a good office. Then you get your 2nd room to spread out, this spacious den family room. You've got the ship's lap for architectural interest. More built-ins. You got a drop zone, so when you're coming in with the family, this home has really got it all. As we finish up, brand new door there, and we step out again to the huge lower patio, ready to enjoy these beautiful views. This home is attractively priced at $359,000, has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. In addition, it has had tremendous updates as we've detailed going through it, and 2,900 square feet. So, press on the link below to get more information and schedule your personal showing quickly, because I don't think this one's going to be around long.